Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Tradestack is probably one of the most versatile and adaptable storage solutions for any professional tradesperson or serious DIYer, offering a modular system that allows you to customize your setup to perfectly fit your tools and workspace, ensuring everything you need is organized, accessible, and protected, no matter where your work takes you. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER BDST60500 APB 3-piece stackable storage system. Introducing the BLACK+DECKER BDST60500 APB storage system. Its durable construction and auto-lock latches make connecting these units quick and easy. Need a specific tool? The quick-release latches allow you to easily separate each module when stacked. This provides fast access to individual units. Transporting your tools has never been easier. Steer this wheeled unit with the ergonomic, telescoping handle for ultimate portability. The toggle latches securely close and lock the lids of both the shallow and deep toolboxes. They are also designed for easy operation. This versatile set includes a small toolbox, a deep toolbox, and a rolling tote. It's the perfect solution for all your storage needs. What we like. This system offers robust auto-lock latches for secure stacking and quick-release functionality for easy access. Its portable convenience is enhanced by a telescoping handle. If you need a versatile and easily transportable storage solution that connects securely, this is a great choice. If you frequently move your tools between job sites or need to access specific items quickly without unstacking everything, consider this option. What people say. The open-back dolly handle allows for easy access to the rear panels or can be completely lowered down. The rubber feet on the power bank really grips well to the toolbox and is very stable. The build quality is outstanding, it's tough, durable, and can handle the wear and tear of regular use without showing any signs of strain. The layout is well thought out, with multiple compartments and organizers for tools of all shapes and sizes. I especially love the removable tray, which makes it super easy to grab smaller tools and accessories without digging around. It snaps together and back apart with extreme ease. I can leave it completely together and still open either the top or middle compartment by unlatching the respective latches. It's got a telescoping handle that's easy to pop up or store. It glides seriously smoothly on the two big wheels, and it has holes for locking the compartments with a padlock or combination lock. Number 4. CRAFTSMAN 19 inches. 3-in-1 rolling toolbox. Introducing the CRAFTSMAN 19-inch 3-in-1 rolling toolbox. It's designed for ultimate convenience and durability. This versatile toolbox offers 3 levels of storage, a bottom bin, a middle organizer, and a top toolbox. Keep all your tools neatly arranged. Need to store larger items? The removable tray provides ample space underneath for all your bigger tools. Keep your small parts and hardware organized with the removable organizer. You can use it with or without the organizer, depending on your needs. Proudly made in the USA with global materials, this toolbox is built to last. Its sturdy plastic construction ensures it can handle tough jobs. Secure your valuable tools with the lockable design. You can have peace of mind knowing your equipment is safe. What we like. This rolling toolbox features a smart 3-in-1 design, offering a bottom bin, middle organizer, and top toolbox. It's proudly made in the USA with global materials. If you're looking for a durable, American-made solution with flexible storage options for both small parts and larger tools, this is the one. Its modular design makes it ideal for those who appreciate compartmentalized organization. What people say. The size of this kit was perfect for storage capacity for a decent number of tools to do a great deal of different jobs. Easy to assemble and pull around with your tools inside. Not too heavy and organizes your tools neatly. Awesome and highly functional toolbox. I now have all of that in this one toolbox with the perfect amount of space to nicely organize each tool type. So far the material and build feels great and durable going in and out of the truck and around work sites. The CRAFTSMAN 19 inches. 3-in-1 rolling toolbox is a great organizer with plenty of storage options and smooth rolling wheels that make transporting tools much easier. I appreciate the versatility of the 3-in-1 design. It works well whether I'm using it as a toolbox, rolling cart, or organizer. Number 3. Big Red TRJF C305 ABD Torin Garage Workshop Organizer. Introducing the Big Red TRJF C305ABD Torin Garage Workshop Organizer. It's designed to keep your tools tidy and accessible. This versatile organizer is portable and can be stacked or separated to fit your specific needs. It moves easily with its built-in wheels and telescopic handle. The top section features a spacious toolbox with an aluminum handle and a removable tray for quick access to your essentials. It securely closes with a metal latch. Below, you'll find 2 drawers equipped with ball bearings for incredibly smooth operation. Keep your smaller items organized and within reach. The bottom section offers a convenient tilt drawer cabinet. It also houses the wheels and a comfortable grip telescopic handle for easy transport. Constructed from durable steel and plastic, this organizer is perfect for both home garages and industrial settings. It measures 20.5 L x 12.6 W x 28.4 H. Rest assured with your purchase, as it includes a limited 1-year manufacturer warranty for peace of mind. What we like. This organizer boasts a durable steel and plastic construction with 3 separate sections, including 2 drawers with smooth ball bearing slides. It's a portable, rolling trolley designed for garage workshops. If you need a robust storage solution with easily accessible, smooth gliding drawers for various tools and parts, this is an excellent option. It's particularly suited for those who require organized, multi-level storage in a workshop setting. What people say. It is spacious enough to have most of the tools I might need for any basic home repairs. It is mobile and the top section separates easily, eliminating the need to pull the whole thing inside. Pretty sturdy, and he loved that he could take different parts off if he didn't need them. It's the perfect size, material, and has just the right amount of storage space and drawers. I also love that it can be taken apart in sections, which makes transportation and storage easier. Number 2. CRAFTSMAN CMST17804 Plastic Toolbox. Keep your small parts perfectly sorted with removable dividers. This toolbox offers unparalleled organization for all your needs. Lifting is a breeze thanks to the bimaterial handle on top. It's designed for a comfortable and easy grip, no matter the load. Don't worry about heavy loads. The ball bearing slides ensure reliable performance, even when it's packed full. Need more space? All units can be stacked securely on top of each other. Durable side latches keep everything connected. This toolbox is part of the versatile VERSASTACK system. Enjoy stackable, portable, and customizable storage that adapts to you. What we like. This toolbox offers excellent organization with removable dividers and heavy-duty ball bearing slides for reliable performance. It's also part of the VERSASTACK system, allowing for customizable stacking. If you prioritize detailed organization for small parts and need a system that can integrate with other VERSASTACK products, this is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for users who want a modular and adaptable tool storage setup. What people say. Very sturdy, my husband liked it, and it works with the CRAFTSMAN rolling toolbox set. Durable and can take in the car. Well made, great quality. Perfect addition to a full-size CRAFTSMAN toolbox. Number 1. CRAFTSMAN VERSASTACK Zippered Tool Bag CMST17622. This tool bag is constructed from heavy-duty 1680 denier fabric. It's designed to resist moisture, ensuring your tools stay protected in various conditions. Finding and storing your tools is a breeze. High-visibility dual zippers and pocket accents make it easy to see and grab what you need, fast. Keep everything in its place with 31 dedicated pockets and slots. This provides ample space for all your essential tools and accessories. Transporting your gear is comfortable thanks to the dual ergonomic carry handles. They are designed for a secure and balanced grip. For heavier loads, a padded shoulder strap is included. This makes carrying even substantial weight easy and comfortable. What we like. This tool bag is built for durability with 1680 denier fabric and offers extensive organization with 31 pockets. It features dual ergonomic handles and a padded shoulder strap for comfortable carrying. If you need a heavy-duty, portable bag that can hold a large number of tools and accessories and is comfortable to transport even when fully loaded, this is the perfect fit. It's ideal for tradespeople or DIYers who need to carry a wide array of tools to different locations. What people say. The 31 pockets make it easy to keep tools organized, and the heavy-duty material feels like it can handle real job site abuse. Zippers are smooth, the bottom is solid, and it carries comfortably even when fully loaded. The hard bottom is a definite plus. I love that it opens all the way and you can literally see everything and not have to dig through. The shoulder strap is super sturdy. The material is very thick and sturdy. I love all the pockets inside and outside. The images make this case look smaller than it is. While it is compact, it opens with enough room to hold all of my screwdrivers, an Allen wrench kit, and a cordless drill and bits. The outside has pockets and zippered spaces on both sides and again, has more space than it appears, including a space for a standard size level. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.